Zion. This is a major Adam, sorry. Zion, even here on live broadcast. If Zion said that I offended him, on live broadcast here, Adam, sorry. Nwoke ma nwoke, nwoke bụ nwoke. To tell somebody sorry, or that it's just a simple something. Man, me telling Ogechi sorry is an abomination to me because I have checked around. I did not offend Ogechi. I put a go out for Ogechi Njaka. Please, if you are joining me, I need accurate information about Ogechi. If you are in Chicago, if you know where she's working, I need her working ID. I was not sorry about Nigeria. Jpac may extradite or by force. She will come back to Nigeria and face her crime and face her charges. Biko any dirimu. My number is 0902491001. The number you will send information about Ogechi, her ID number. I need her ID number. Somebody can get me ID number. We are not doing this to saga anybody. I couldn't matter. I'm married and I want to face my wife. But for the past that my wife did not do her anything. She don't know my wife. She started calling my wife Ashawo. I did not drag Ogechi. Only if there's ceremony Ogechi. Or when if there's ceremony Ogechi or what. Oh no, because Ogechi, we don't know about war on behalf of Akwa Zion. In a conference call yesterday, I made it clear that na Ogechi na Abam saga because of Akwa Zion. She is fighting for Akwa Zion. And I told Akwa Zion yesterday on live broadcast on conference call that na tell this woman that Kokosi saga. Nyano tazere na go. Akwa Zion. This is a major Adam, sorry. Akwa Zion, even here on live broadcast. If Akwa Zion said that I offended him, on live broadcast here, Adam, sorry. Nwoke ma nwoke, nwoke bụ nwoke. To tell somebody sorry, or that it's just a simple something. Man, me telling Ogechi sorry is an abomination to me because I have checked around. I did not offend Ogechi. Didn't say, Zolomita Nastro, Jpac is great. It's not grateful. Akwa Zion you're talking down on this. If you want peace, or Ibata as a middle person, he said to Loromon Akwa Zion and you do here. Even if Namona Akwa Zion makes tomorrow. But let there be peace between me and Nako. I cannot be any Western Akwa Zion Iwe or Mana about war. Woke, Monako can meet tomorrow. I could quit na my apology and say sorry. I will still give him more contact. Oh, if I'm yesterday. But naturally, stop this thing you are doing online. Creating one attack on Akwa Zion tomorrow. I will still come up to as like this. Not minding Namana Akwa Adanama or Namana Akwa Adanama. Ogechi Bunya war against Akwa. I will dismantle Ogechi. I will come up and fight for Akwa Zion. No matter Namana Akwa Zion and Adanama or Namana Akwa Zion and Adanama. If Ogechi threaten Akwa Zion to post anything to tarnish Akwa Zion image, I will come and defend Akwa Zion. Come and defend the Akwa Zion. As Akwa Zion, I have done my part. So, Obuna Eguna Atoge Akwa Zion that na Obuna Ego Ogechi Ezioku no or tarnish your image or be who evil against your business. I will come with my team and I will still convince Governor Ezioku. Say Governor Ezioku, please. Bring it down, put it aside. Let us fight for Akwa Zion. And I will do that. Because but for me to beg Ogechi is an abomination in this planet. Under this planet. and when we came in why? Because again, mgbe na-eme call yesterday, ajụrụ m ajụjụ wee jụọ gị sị, gwa m ife m mere gị Ogechi Njaka. Ịgwa m ife m mere gị, I scrutinize ya that na ọ bụ na eziokwu, I will tell you sorry, even on WhatsApp call and also on Facebook. Ogechi now come up with this, that na n'ihe bụ iwe na na-ege m ntị, n'ihe bụ iwe bụ na gịnị mere na m jere post tuo papa nwụrụ anwụ. I now ask her, what did I wrote on that caption? Even there, Okwa, may your gentle soul rest in perfect peace. Until you tell me the meaning of may your gentle soul rest in perfect peace, or you tell me that na English word that stated gentle soul rest in perfect peace, or no evil word, no okwu, then I will apologize to you. But no, may your soul rest in perfect peace, no, to console or to help to mourn the person around, then I don't have any apology for you. If I'm going Ezugo, bito baba mba, nweju Ezugo siya, Ezugo, muna ge nwe problem. Don't join your head on this. I don't have problem with you, Ezugo. All this why you have done drag him. Have I ever mentioned your name in when class? Abubu with a shoe. I cannot come and do what? Drag Ezugo for no reason. Even when Ezugo is dragging me. And I'm after the Ezugo to reach him with a client. Because Ezugo just joined Facebook yesterday. I'm just seeing that Ezugo want to use me to climb. So Ezugo not drag him, I don't may take care for anything. Or TV not drag him, I don't may take care for anything. Man, can they take it serious about Ogechi? Because you mentioned that na muabu Jpac go kwanya more krumpagi. Give me evidence of where I mock your father. If I did not apologize to you on public, but Jpac, and she could not be able to bring evidence. And I say sorry. And I say sorry. If I'm sorry, what happened to Simani Ibura allegation? What happened to the Bioku Ibura allegation? What happened to Akwa Ibura allegation? If tomorrow na open Akwa and we will 50 lodgers na hotel, then we will say like 3 or 4 or 5 lodgers. Don't you know that you have used your mouth to kill that young boy business? This apology will extend to Facebook. This thing started on Facebook and it must end on Facebook. So if you want to come and make peace and let there be peace, you have to tell Ogechi Njaka that na Omare to host we paria Siman, Omare to host we paria baby oku, Omare to host we bo allegation that na Akwa Kobarenka menka why that no lie. If he get miserable, na pride will not allow Ogechi to tell them sorry. Fine and good. Man, if he get miserable, he get me. Okay, Jpac, no problem. You are my brother. I ain't got a problem. I don't see why there. All these things no na that talk umma. Na that talk umma. I will understand it that na probably you don't want to say sorry other way around. Equal no if you just talk umma, again about na no ada talk umma. You will get mma ma bute egbe. You have like it bute. Mma go tell that na that talk umma. It's your apology. That na that talk, maybe I'm helping you to paint words. So I got already case the same man, sorry. I got already case the baby uncle, sorry. I got already case in that we need for allegation. If that na Facebook, I just so wide draw. No man, I know that talk, fine. Fine. Nana no that talk, or the understandable. That maybe I'm asking my yoga for what? What will I beg you? They're going to help me check the meaning of may your gentle soul rest in peace. Is this a bad word? The reason why it's not a will take it because you deny your father even when he was alive. You deny your father even when you use the to raise money. And I told you go fund me, go fund me, go fund me, go fund me. Atusara go, Ogechi is me and befitting barrier. And what they needed that is it was 12,000 US dollar. Can we bring those who pay in Nigeria? It's a shameful thing to you, Ogechi, that a whole doctor, Timothy Okeke Njaka, was buried in America. Was buried in Los Angeles, Florida. It's a shame to you. You don't have mouth to come on social media. That's the only post mpagi, or they post mpagi. But you could be able to post Ifanyoba and tag him all manner of name. Tag Ifanyoba all manner of name. You are not ashamed of yourself, Ogechi Okeke Njaka. And tag them mpagi, na mpagi timenka, na mpagi timenka. Jpac we post mpagi, Ifanyoba post to the allegation. Only Ifanyoba the same Ifanyoba. You are walking around now, wide up and down. If I back all the that go. The other day you went and say rubbish that na Bishop Adatiro ego. Any feature no. Everybody that go Jpac is number baby. Jpac connect and baby na. Can track your call line? Let us track our call. I dare you. Come up, let us track our call. Attract ya call line. Ka mara mgbe ị na-ayọ ị na-achọ kọntaktị bebi ọkụ ka onye ga-ego. Mgbe ị na-achọ kọntaktị bebi ọkụ ka onye ga-ego. Ịchọ kọntaktị onye ọ bụ na ịnweta kọntaktị onye ahụ ozugbo. Ịgbaba ewo. If I did not play, let me play this thing because it's like people ejugo na ka m play ya. Ebe ọ na-asị m mụ biko mụ connect ya ka na-akwa ọkọ bịa buru Solobita n'aka. The same akwa ọkụkọ in a allegation. Na na-enweta condom na hotel, but the same Akwa chọrọ ka ogologo 50 cartons of Solobita. Now let me expose you. Ogechi, if o ji na-defend the accusation, abụrụ ife ọzọ bụ na Ogechi zụrụ excessive of Solobita. Ọ zụrụ excess. O ji anya ukwu wee zụọ excess. Because no na Jpac get involved. And no man a move a force. Or would you to honor maybe advert guy you go sell. I was advertising products with all my heart. I called Akwa to what I can see. Natural and go ahead and come awesome. Kevensia Grum Zulubita. Akwa Westmo came move 50 cartons. Can we put evidence? Since man about let me bring this evidence because enough is enough. I played this before, but I want to replay it again. Evidence of Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Ebo semo. Onye them number. Oyana Osharon. Kobru ka nje na aka eje buru 50 cartons of Solobita supply ya Akwa and her voice note ịma na ọ na-eme nke omelti call ọ sịrị na Jpac sịrị ọ sịrị adị m eme na ọ sịrị mme ngosi gị evidence gosi gị chat gosi gị everything na ebe a I will first of all show you chat of Ogechi telling me to how I will go about the drink. Then I ever after the person bought Sugar. Awesome Sugar is the guy handling Anambra State. Contact him with this number +44754243652. This is his number. Neighbor chat. First of all, Kunu Fafa, Obra fabricated. Date able 21 April 2024. 21 April 2024. Ogechi Njaka, neighbor. Ogechi Njaka. If ever, nene Ogechi, na kaba afa eba. Obro na mere edited, mobna. Ima Ogechi sorry play, bichi afa. Ogechi web to afa and them matters no more send the baby oku. Mano je pichi. Go see how you guess you send the thing. Now, ne into Ogechi send the eba. Also, Sugar is the guy that handling Anambra. Contact him with this number. Now, where Ogechi send the voice note. Can see Bujere, can see Bruce Solobita. Naka, yes, I'm maybe Bruce Solobita Naka because na also SS. And I want to help her to sell her own. I'm going to say my ọ na-ata n'isi imezie the same Akwa chọkwara ịzụ mmanya then mgbe ọ bịa sendara m datin o nwere post m mere na Facebook of datin wee sendara m that Jpac I will give you woto nche na ife o ji egwu egwu the following day m kwesịrị ka m kpọọ the guy buru mmanya n'aka Ogechi bido gbaba nwụọ ọ bụ na ọgụ maka agbara wụọ ị ka ya ejekwa dịkwa onye a kọntaktị ka e buru mmanya n'aka mụnwa withdraw ọsọ na ozi ebe na-eje when Akwa call me si Akwa ya forget ya datin ka m play runu voice Ogechi.
I think the number I'm sent, all the body now cover the whole Anambra state. So you can contact the number through them. They want to cover it. You should now patch over 50 cartons. So the guy now cover it.
Here the bow. Here 18 seconds voice note drop on the 21st of April 2024. 21st of April 2024. Adịm ebo mmadụ ebubo ka Ogechi bụ a liar. Ebubo nke the SS. Adịm ebo mmadụ ebubo. No ngwa gị onye kwuru eni. Play your voice. I did not record anybody. All our stay with Mwana na Ogechi, I don't record anybody because I don't have intention of everybody war tomorrow. I want to retain the relationship between me and Akwa. In business, I don't want disagreement. Mona, Governor Zoko at times, I don't want disagreement. But Governor Zoko cannot come on Facebook. Bam, war, not possible. Oh, when Mona Governor Zoko, yes, 1 week, 2 weeks, nobody will call each other. Mbossin, chop it, I don't know, Mua, Kibe Mara, at bomb Governor Zoko, say Governor Zoko, ask him, can say sorry. Or because of everybody having an American, that's why on the phone. What for you? But Governor Zoko chop it, I don't know, Kibe Mara. On our own, Governor Zoko could know how to apologize somebody to the call. More chop it on major. If we make Governor Zoko na young Mbagara, or the cast no one also, or Major Nasia, na to a mayor or some Jpac people, na the way when they were. Nature come near a tour, but I'm having no tour. Now, Kaka say today, Ogechi Okeke Njaka, come Oshichoma, come live to 50 cut of snack. Even I wasn't war the following day because of the post about Ndoka. Because they post something about faith men of God or what I'm named Boban was none against Ndoka, none fight the church. Boban was because again, Nina support to support Akwa. Now more withdraw no women. And before this thing is going on, if Akwa will tell you the truth, I call Akwa. If you are following me on Jpac Comedy, I posted on my page, congratulations to Akwa to Waraki for lifting 50 tons of Zolo bitters. Yes. Go to my page and screenshot and bring it out. I did him on my page. Congratulations to Akwa. To Akwa. Now Akwa lifted 50 cartons of Zolo bitters. Now the same Akwa to because that time Kurele never come out. The same Akwa to Erege cause support all your business. The same Akwa Kina was a war. Mbakwa be a go nyerem gift nyem moto. Ogechi or on the phone. Why did them war? Why did them war? So why would I collect something from a native doctor? If I would bribe. No bribe, no, I watch they bribe them. Can have a say by war. This and that. Oh, they don't war. That in fact, that was the generation of this very saga. Because Ogechi never wanted me to see good thing in life. For those of you that are joining us, Ogechi na basaga. Kona emelo down. Cause Ogechi, you will never see good thing in life. You owe me a 1,000 million apology. I tell you this.
I think the number I'm sent, all the body now cover the whole Anambra state. So you can contact the number through them. They want to cover it. You should now patch over 50 cartons. So the guy now cover it.
So, Kedi ka akwa si wee bụrụzi onye arụrụ ana. Kedi ka akwa si wee bụrụzi onye ogbu mmadụ. Oh, Akwa na-eme ọgwụ ego na-emeri isu a ndị sọrọ ka onye na-emeri isu abịa zụrụ gị ahịa bi na amani nke bụ for those people now on a phone, because maybe you hate Jpac, but you don't like what I'm doing, fine. If you hate me, don't hate truth. If you hate Jpac, do not hate truth.
I think the number I'm sent, all the boy now cover the whole Anambra state. So you can contact the number through them. They want to cover it. You should now patch over 50 cartons. So the guy now cover it.
Now, there's a Ogechi the plan bara me evil. Can go soon bomb the plan bara me evil. All plan river for so long, so that can we came up ban at the evil. Oh shit, that run they were not. They go to get them can be like like this.